Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Gmail in Facebook, right? So let's open our Facebook mobile application here. On the top right, click on the three horizontal lines, open your settings here, and you will find here see more in account center. Tap and open it up. Now go to the personal details, right? And here you will find your contact info, click on add new contact and click on add email and just enter your email address and click on next. So this is how you can add Gmail in Facebook very easily. I hope you found this video very useful, and by the way, once you do it, just click on the next, right? And if you have a more than two IDs, you can select, for example, I want to add my Gmail only for this ID. So I will add my email address here and I will select the ID and then I will click on the next, right? And once you click on the next, for example, let's say here it is, and I will click on the next. So this way you can just add it here. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.